My name is Mohammad Jamal Tabbara. I'm the head of the solutions architect team at Infoblox. Been with the company almost 8 years, with almost 17 years of experience in the IT space. DNS is one of the core services that every industry, embarks upon or uses to operate the business. And this is mainly the bread and butter of Infoblox. Secure DNS, secure DHCP and IP address management at the same time. Yet at the same time, we keep on adding and enhancing that portfolio to be more adapted and more aligned with the trends that we're seeing today. So, for example, we have a solution which is what we call the Blox One DDI solution. It's a cloud-native solution for DNS and DHCP and IP address management, born in the cloud to help users and organizations to go through their digital transformation journey, adopt SaaS applications, at the same time have that expected user experience that they need from both perspectives, from speed and latency and reliability aspect, and at the same time consistent security. In other words, one of the things that we focus on is to have a consistent security, whether the user is working at home or whether they are in a branch or they are at the headquarters. The pandemic actually shifted a lot of businesses or the way that organizations work and whatnot, and this is where we started to hear about terms like work from home or work anywhere and whatnot. And that trend is continuing. Even though we started to see some of organizations asking their employees to go back to office, yet the expectation from IT perspective and security protection and all of that remains the same. So what we focus on is to have a consistent security and provide consistent security to our clients, whether these clients are still working from home or they want to continue working from home, or if we see organizations are leveraging their branch internet access and breaking out to the internet right away rather than backhauling traffic to the data center. So that always requires a consistent security. And some of the things that as well we focus on and we see is bridging the gap and the security gaps between whether organizations or sub-organizations within the entity, like let's say the network team and the security team, so bridging the gap between both of these teams through our solutions, yet at the same time helping our customers to prioritize their assets, in terms of criticality, in terms of where they could have the most critical entities or components, that could hit and then remediate. Education doesn't stop. And that element of enabling and working with the partner and always continue to take them to the next level, this is something that doesn't stop. It's an ongoing process. And one of the things that also Infoblox focuses is their relation with the partners and customers, because we consider them an extended arm for us. We consider them, they have the same interest just like us. So our relation is always a win-win story with them. And absolutely, when it comes to education and helping them to go to the next level, this is something that we keep working on and we keep doing and we will continue to do that. If we look at studies, whether from Infoblox or non-Infoblox vendors, we will see that 91% of malware, they use DNS in their lifecycle. And this is the area of focus for Infoblox for quite some time. It's our bread and butter. Yet at the same time, we kept on evolving this. So today we have a threat intelligence platform with so many different types of integrations. So we support and we can push our feeds to different third-party cybersecurity vendors. We have our threat intelligence portal. We have a cloud-native or cloud-born DDI solution, which is what we call the Blox One DDI solution. We have a lot of intelligence added to our security portfolio, like lookalike domains or identifying domains that looks like the name of your organizations. We have things like DGAs, domain generation algorithms and mitigation for that. Content categorization. There's application discoveries. We could as well, or from DNS aspect, we can tell you what are the top applications that your organization is using, and if there is application that should be adopted but it's not, or if there's an application that shouldn't be in the network and it's there at the same time, and then we can take remediation action on top of that. So ecosystem integration, third-party ecosystem integration, additional focus on the cybersecurity intelligence and mitigation services. This is what our latest additions, I would say, to the portfolio.